welcome back for my more important analysis videos with me, Richard Perry, market analyst at Hantec Markets on Monday the 18th of December, looking at gold as my final chart of the day. It seems as though gold has rallied, but is stalling in that rally around that 1260 breakdown that we saw as the October low. Breakdown below that actually completed sort of, I suppose, a ranged downside break with around about 40 ticks of downside, 1220 being the implied target of that, and that downside, that old support becomes new resistance. And it's interesting that we've had a couple of moves towards that and that have fallen over. Another little move going on today, but is this again going to be a move that falls over? I'd be saying that between 1260 and 1270 I think is a nice little selling opportunity. 1270 being these old lows here, but also around about where this old uptrend comes in as well, so that the underside of that old uptrend becomes resistance. You've also got all these moving averages rolling over as well. So any sort of unwinding move on the RSI on the medium term basis looks like it's a chance to sell. You've seen that move on the RSI now back to sort of the mid 40s. Has it got a little bit more in it? Possibly. But as I said, 1260, 1270 area, I think that's a decent sort of area to start to look for selling opportunities. So with that in mind, I think that rolling over in that area and retesting downside is likely to be seen. Now you've got the support at 1250 of that Thursday low, yeah, if you sort of certainly break that to the downside, I think you're then sort of regenerating that downside momentum, which will ultimately sort of test the low, that recent low, 1236, and then ultimately sort of towards 1220 and probably even towards sort of 1200 area. So with that in mind, I wish you good luck in your trading today, and I will speak to you again tomorrow.